Okay, in this article say discussions to how they meet up in the Yellowstone National Park by will wolves of years because they didn't understand how natural worked. They thought the ecosystem will heal itself, but eventually released they were grown. Okay. Um, when wolves were reintroduction in 1995 age, the grease was is called tropic cascade as the wolves began hunting elk and the elk stops eight stop eating all the vegetation along the rivers. And thank you to these interventions, reintroductions. The trees grew and the rivers established, and animals like beavers return.